Today, we are going to unlock the power of unlimited AI image generation. We are learning how to install ComfyUI and run high-end AI models locally, meaning no internet connection is required and absolutely zero credit limits. Let's get started. Open your browser and search for ComfyUI GitHub. Click the first link and scroll down to the Releases section. Here, you will see different files depending on your GPU. If you are on an AMD system, grab the AMD version. For NVIDIA users, you have a few choices. The standard version covers the GTX 10 series up to the 40 series. There is also a build for CUDA 12.6. And finally, the CUDA 12.8 version, which is specifically required if you are rocking the latest 50 series Blackwell GPUs. Download the file that matches your hardware. Once downloaded, extract the folder. Inside, you will find two run options. The first is for integrated graphics, but since we want performance, we will choose the second option to run with the dedicated GPU. Run the file, let the command window load, and it will launch ComfyUI right in your browser via your local IP. By default, ComfyUI shows standard templates, but for this tutorial, we want high quality. Open a new tab and search for Civet AI. In the Model section, search for RealVisXL. This is a fantastic image generation tool. Download the model, and once it is finished, we need to install it manually. Copy the file, go to your ComfyUI folder, then Models, then Checkpoints, and paste it there. Now, close ComfyUI completely and relaunch it so it detects the new file. Now, let's build our model workstation from scratch. Right-click on the blank area, go to Add Node, then Loaders, and select Load Checkpoint. You will see our new model is automatically detected. Now, hold a model string and release it anywhere. Select K-Sampler. Next, from the K-Sampler, pick the Silipectets encode. Fix the Plippentext encode. We need to do this twice, once for the positive prompt and once for the negative prompt. Next, connect the VAE output to VAE decode, and then connect the image output to Preview Image. Finally, pull the latent string from the K-Sampler and select Empty Latent Image. Just make sure your positive and negative text nodes are connected correctly to the K-Sampler input. Our workstation is ready. In the first text box, enter what you want to generate. In the second box, enter what you do not want, like bad quality or blur. Now, here is a catch. When I tried to run this initially, I got an error. This is because I am using an RTX 50 series GPU, but I had downloaded the CUDA 12.6 version. I actually needed the CUDA 12.8 build for this architecture. So, after quickly fixing that swap, we're ready. To prove this is running locally, I have disconnected my Ethernet cable. I also have Task Manager open to monitor the GPU. Let's hit Q prompt. In just 13 seconds, the image is generated. Right-click to save it, and as you can see, the quality is decent. Looking at the stats, this model consumed about 6 GB of VRAM. I ran a few more complex prompts, and the results are impressive. That is it for today. I hope you learned how to run ComfyUI locally on your system. If you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Stay tuned.